Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Willis and I'm a real estate agent in Michigan with 5-Star Real Estate. Today I'm going to go over the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up because I know you're going to love it. And hit that bell notification so you know the next time I put out a video. All right guys, let's hop right in it. Okay, buyer's market. What is that? What's a buyer's market? A buyer's market is when the inventory meaning the amount of homes that are up for sale, when the inventory far exceeds the amount of buyers who are in the market looking to purchase a home. So it means that there are about this many buyers and about this many homes for sale, or however you want to put it. There's more homes out for sale than there are buyers looking to purchase a home. So in a buyer's market, the buyer has more control. In the buyer's market, the buyer has wiggle room to ask for more fees to be covered at closing. They have more time on their hands. They have the luxury of being able to compare other homes in the area with a little bit more time. They have a little bit more room when they're going to negotiate for price. They are in the captain seat in a buyer's market. So on the flip side, the seller's market. A seller's market is what we are in today in Michigan in December of 2020. We are in a seller's market. So in the seller's market, that means that there are tons and tons and tons of buyers out looking to purchase a home, but there are not that many sellers listing their home for sale. So that means the seller in this case has the power. They have the power to normally they're going to have more bids because there is not that much inventory, so there are going to be more people in the market looking for the same type of a home, and there is not as many homes out there on the market, so you have more people competing. If more people are competing, that means that the house will more than likely be sold over the asking price of what the seller is even asking for, and they won't have to cover as much like in closing costs and stuff like that because they have the power. So right now in Michigan, we are in a seller's market for sure, where during that one thing, that C thing is going on right now. So a lot of people are scared. They don't know what's going to happen with their jobs. They don't know what's going to happen if they list their house for a sale, or are they going to find a place to live, or what? A lot of people are scared to list their homes, which makes the inventory go low, which then makes the buyers have to compete. So right now we are in a seller's market. I hope that answers your question about the difference between a seller's market and a buyer's market. If you have any other questions about a seller's market or a buyer's market or any other real estate related question, don't hesitate to drop it down in the comments, and I will either respond back and answer the question right then, or maybe I'll make a video out of it because maybe other people will want to know the same question that you guys have. And also, if you know anyone who is moving to or already in Michigan and looking for another place to live in Michigan, I would love to be your guidance in that process. So don't forget to you can leave a comment below, or my information is also in the description box, and I will be more than happy to assist you with finding your dream home, with finding your dream building, investing in some properties, just let me know. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell so you can get notified the next time I put on a video. Bye, guys.